The USI Hardwired 2-in-1 smoke and fire alarm with battery backup and USST quickly responds to both fast flaming and slow smoldering fires. With the inclusion of universal smoke sensing technology, this alarm responds up to 87% faster to slow smoldering fires and quickest to fast flaming fires to keep you safe. This 120-volt AC wired-in alarm comes equipped with a 9-volt battery backup and microprocessor that virtually eliminates nuisance alarms. A single silence test button on the front of the alarm allows you to easily test your alarm, and LEDs indicating power and smoke let you know your alarm is functioning at a glance. 2 tamper-resistant locking features keep this alarm from being deactivated, and this alarm can be interconnected with up to 24 compatible devices. The USI MDS107 comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.universalsecuritystore.com.